So good holy class, may I ask Joseph to lead us our prayer? Holy Trinity in one God, have mercy on us. So bago tayo magsimula sa ating discussion, ay magkakaroon muna tayo ng activity. So, ito ang ating activity. Instruction. Label the shapes inside the box with names given by the teacher. So, si Teacher Franzen ay may ibibigay na mga names sa inyo at ang gagawin nyo lang ay ilalagay nyo siya sa mga shapes na nakikita nyo sa pisara. So, dahil tapos na kayo mag-answer, may tatanong si teacher, ano kaya ang napapansin nyo sa mga shapes na nasa harapan nyo? Yes, Marco? Very good. So, ang mga shapes daw na nasa harapan nyo ay puro mga apat ang sides. So, syempre, later on ay madidiscuss natin kung ano ba ang tawag sa shapes na may apat na sides at tatlong sides. So, last meeting ay na-discuss natin ang tungkol sa iba't ibang shapes. Ngayon naman ay i-discuss natin ang triangles and quadrilateral. So, before that, ano nga yung iba't ibang shapes na na-discuss natin last time? Okay. Very good, Flor. Diba? Mayroon tayong circle, square, rectangle, stars, and so on. Sobrang daming shapes na nakikita natin. Hindi lang dito sa ating classroom, but also sa buong lugar. So now, we are going to discuss the triangles and quadrilaterals. But before that, I am going to read the objectives. So, at the end of the discussion, the students must be able to A. Identify quadrilaterals and triangles. B. Show appreciation for triangles and quadrilaterals by actively participating in class activities. So, mag-participate kayo sa mga activities ni teacher, okay? And lastly, draw and classify triangles and quadrilaterals correctly. So, dapat after nitong discussion ay marunong na kayo mag-identify and mag-classify, and also marunong na kayo mag-drawing ng mga quadrilaterals and triangles. So, let's proceed. So, what is triangle? So, Glory, pakibasa. Okay, very good, Glory. So, a triangle is a fundamental two-dimensional geometric shape defined by having exactly 3 straight sides and 3 vertices. So, yung triangle daw ay meron 3 straight sides and 3 vertices. So, ito yung examples niya. So, we have 3 examples of triangles. We have scalene, isosceles, and equilateral. So, when we say scalene, it is a triangle that has no sides that are equal. So, yung shape ng scalene ay triangle pero hindi equal yung sides niya. However, yung isosceles naman has at least 2 sides equal. So, pwedeng yung 2 sides niya like this is equal. However, yung sa baba niya is hindi same sa nasa taas na side. So, dalawang sides lang yung equal niya. And lastly, the equilateral. So, when we say equilateral, it has 3 equal sides. So, lahat ng sides ng equilateral or ng triangle is equal. So, when we say scalene, no sides that are equal. Then, when we say isosceles is at least 2 lang yung equal sides niya. And ang equilateral naman ay lahat ng sides niya ay equal. Naintindihan ba, class? So, ano nga yung 3 types ng triangles? Very good. So, yung 3 types ng triangles ay ang scalene, isosceles, and equilateral. Good job! Ang next naman is quadrilateral. So, what is quadrilateral? Pakibasa, Ate Mercy. Okay, thank you. Very good. So, a quadrilateral is defined as a two-dimensional shape with 4 sides, 4 vertices, and 4 angles. So, when we say Quadrilaterals, it has 4 sides, 4 vertex, and 4 angles. So, apat yung ganyan niya. Naintindihan? Okay, very good. So, ang pinagkaibahan nila ng triangle is, yung triangle has only 3 sides. However, yung quadrilaterals naman is merong apat na sides. So, here are the examples of quadrilaterals. We have kite, parallelogram, square, trapezoid, rectangle, and rhombus. So, ito yung mga common examples ng quadrilaterals. So, as you can see, lahat ng shapes ng quadrilaterals ay merong apat na sides, apat na vertex, and apat na angles. As you can see, yung examples natin sa quadrilaterals is halos nakikita natin sa ating first activity. Diba? Sa first activity natin is puro quadrilaterals yun. However, meron tayong isang triangle. Nag-iisang triangle lamang. So, yung activity natin is connected siya sa ating topic ngayon. So, again, naintindihan niyo ba yung difference ng triangles and quadrilaterals? Okay, sige nga, Dwayne. Ano nga yung difference ng triangles and quadrilaterals? Okay, very good. So, yung difference nga ng triangles and quadrilaterals is that yung triangles has only 3 sides. However, yung quadrilaterals ay merong apat na sides. So, madali lang natin siyang ma-identify. Naintindihan ba lahat? Okay, very good. So, I guess, tapos na ang ating discussion. So, goodbye, class. Thank you. See you tomorrow.